How to post a template on Capcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To post a template on Capcut, you must enable the creator mode on Capcut. Now it is not a button that you can simply toggle on so that you can initiate the creator mode. Instead, what you need to do is you have to frequently use your Capcut application. Now, when you tap on the export icon, you will see import, or another thing that you will see is you will see post it as a template. Then you will see save to device option, which you need to tap. Now wait until your video is exported. Now over here you will see this option post as template. You can tap on it so that you can post it as template. Now you don't have to do much about it because Capcut itself will divide into various sections of clips, and it will also check music copyright for you. You can just enter the name of the template and hashtag so the audience can find the template better. Again, in order to become a creator on Capcut, you need to use your Capcut application every once in a while and make sure you always export your video. After frequent use, you will finally unlock the creator mode. Otherwise, you won't be getting the post as template option for you. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.